Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Chase the impossible, be like. 1. Chase the impossible, just bring snacks. Reason, big dreams are easier with a little preparation. 2. They said it could be done. I said, cool, let's investigate. Reason, challenge can inspire curiosity. 3. Chase the impossible, but don't forget to enjoy the journey. Reason, progress matters as much as the destination. 4. Impossible, my brain would like second opinion. Reason, sometimes limitations are worth questioning. 5. Dream big enough to make your comfort zone nervous. Reason, growth often begins outside familiar routines. 6. Chase the impossible, one tiny step at a time. Reason, huge goal can become manageable when broken down. 7. The mountain looks impossible until you start climbing. Reason, action can change how difficult a challenge feels. 8. If plan A fails, politely introduce it to plan B. Reason, flexibility helps when things don't work out. 9. Chase the dream, not the pressure. Reason, healthy ambition should leave the room for balance. 10. Impossible is sometimes just not figured out yet. Reason, new ideas can create possibilities. 11. Your dream may be huge. Your first step doesn't have to be. Reason, tiny actions can build momentum. 12. Chase the impossible, but remember to check the map. Reason, ambition works better with planning. 13. Dream like a rocket, prepare like an engineer. Reason, big goals need both imagination and preparation. 14. When the door says no entry, maybe it's time to build a better door. Reason, creativity can help overcome obstacles. 15. Don't be afraid of the impossible. It hasn't met you yet. Reason, confidence can encourage persistence. 16. Chase the impossible slowly, safely, and preferably with coffee. Reason, consistency beats rushing. 17. Your future self might thank you for trying today. Reason, today's effort can create tomorrow's opportunities. 18. Impossible goals are excellent excuses to learn new skills. Reason, challenges can become learning experiences. 19. If the dream feels too big, zoom in and on the next step. Reason, focusing on one task reduces overwhelm. 20. Choose your dream, but don't chase your sanity out the window. Reason, ambition should include a healthy balance. 21. Some people see a wall. Dreamers see a construction project. Reasons, problems can inspire creative solution. 22. Impossible today, put it on the maybe tomorrow shelf. Reason, timing can change what it is achievable. 23. You don't need to know the whole road, just where to take the next step. Reason, progress doesn't require having every answer. 24. Chase the impossible with patience, courage, and comfortable shoes. Reason, long journey requires persistence. 25. The dream said, come closer. My alarm clock said, absolutely not. Reason, humor makes motivational moments relatable. 26. Don't wait for a perfect condition. Starts with what you have. Reason, waiting for the perfection can delay progress. 27. Impossible doesn't mean give up. Sometimes it means try differently. Reason, changing strategies can open new possibilities. 28. Chase the impossible not because success is guaranteed, but because trying can reveal what you're capable of. Reason, the journey itself can build confidence, skills, and experience. So, is your dream impossible? Maybe, maybe not. Either way, take one tiny step. Keep learning, stay respectful, and don't forget the snacks. Your impossible journey might just become tomorrow's amazing story. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.